There are 2,000 students here at Gallaudet University, the nation's only college for the deaf. And the majority of those students have taken part in protests throughout the week, all aimed at convincing the Board of Trustees that they want a deaf president.
I think the deaf president here will be good for us and show us that we all can do it. We can be the same as all hearing people.
In terms of a deaf leader, a deaf role model, and an inspirational figure to deaf students at Gallaudet University.
And he, as the president, will prove the world that he could take this position, and that will influence the world that we deaf could be equal to him and equal to our peers all over the world.
Among the finalists, 2 deaf men, Harvey Corson, superintendent of Louisiana School for the Deaf, and I. King Jordan, dean of Gallaudet's College of Arts and Sciences. The controversy centers around the 3rd candidate, a hearing woman, Elizabeth Zinser, vice chancellor of the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. Students wanted Zinser to step down as a finalist. She did not. As to whether or not student activities this week have influenced the board's decision, that remains to be seen. But school officials admit the demonstrations have not gone unnoticed.